From building AI that beat the world's best Go player, to creating breakthroughs in protein folding that could change medicine forever, to launching the Gemini model that's going head to head with GPT-5. This is the story of Google DeepMind, the AI powerhouse that blends science, engineering, and moonshot ambition. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Anthony Applewhite from Applewhite Intel. Here, we make AI simple so that everyone can understand it, whether you're a total beginner or you've been deep in machine learning for years now. Quick thing, a lot of y'all watch and forget to subscribe. Now, it really helps me out and tells the algorithm to push this to more people. So, if you learned something new today, or if you learned anything at all today, hit that subscribe, like, and share button, y'all. It really, really helps me out. All right, y'all ready? Let's dive in. Okay. DeepMind started in London in 2010, founded by Demis Hassabis, Shane Legg, and Mustafa Suleyman. Their mission from the start was to solve intelligence. In other words, to understand and recreate general intelligence in machines. See, they weren't just chasing chatbots or just cool apps. They were after the Holy Grail, AGI, okay? Their early work focused on using deep learning and reinforcement learning to teach AI systems to play classic Atari video games, but not by programming the rules in advance inside the system. Instead, these systems learn to play the way a human might, through trial and error, right? Now, in 2014, Google acquired DeepMind for a reported $500 million, okay? This was a huge moment because, see, at the time, AI wasn't mainstream. And here was Google about to drop some big money on a research lab most people had never even heard of. The deal also came with ethical guidelines, right? Promising to create an ethics board to oversee DeepMind's work, okay? Now, once inside Google, DeepMind had access to massive computing power, computing data, and resources. That combination supercharged their research, right? Now, in 2016, DeepMind made history with AlphaGo, an AI that defeated Lee Sedol, which was one of the world's top Go players. For context, Go is far more complex than chess, with more possible board positions than atoms in the universe, right? AlphaGo's victory wasn't just a win in a board game. It was a statement and a bold one. AI could handle intuition-heavy, creative problem-solving that many thought only humans could do, okay? The match itself was broadcast worldwide, sparking huge interest in AI, especially in Asia, right? In 2020, DeepMind revealed AlphaFold, which is an AI that could predict the 3D structures of proteins with incredible accuracy. Now, why is that a big deal? Because understanding protein shapes is critical for developing new medicines, vaccines, and treatments for diseases, okay? What used to take scientists years and years could now be done in hours. Nature magazine called it a game changer for biology, right? Now, for years, DeepMind focused on pure research, but as competition from OpenAI and Anthropic heated up, they moved towards productizing their work. In 2023, DeepMind merged with Google's Brain team, forming what we now know as Google DeepMind as a single AI division. Now, the goal was to accelerate progress and unify Google's AI strategy, right? Now, fast forward into December 2023, Google DeepMind launched Gemini, its family of AI models. Gemini 1 was a strong competitor to GPT-4, and within months, Gemini 1.5 was announced with longer context windows and better multimodal capabilities, which basically means it could process not just text, but also images, audio, and even video. Now, Gemini 2.5 is in the works, aiming to push reasoning, creativity, and efficiency even further. Google is positioning Gemini as the backbone of its AI-powered search, productivity tools, and cloud services. All right, now let's take a quick break. All right, if you want to go deeper with me daily, I'm launching a private school community, y'all. And it's early, so y'all will be starting it with me. My first 100 members will be founding members. And y'all can get inside for just $10. Inside, you'll get daily AI news, business playbooks, tool updates, and a beginner AI course, books, prompt packs, and more. It's for creators, founders, and learners who want real knowledge without the fluff, okay? I'll put the link in the description, and you can jump in while the founder price is live, okay? Let's move forward. DeepMind has also been vocal about AI safety. They publish papers on reinforcement learning from human feedback, interpretability, and reducing biases in models. They've built AI to optimize Google's data center cooling, cutting energy use by up to 40%. But there have also been concerns, like privacy debates over healthcare data used in early medical projects, right? Now, DeepMind's strength is in its deep bench of researchers, many with backgrounds in neuroscience, physics, and mathematics. They approach AI not just as a tool, but as a science, which means that their breakthroughs often spill, into unexpected fields, right? Whether it's beating gold champions, mapping proteins, or powering Google's AI search, DeepMind continues to shape both the academic and the commercial AI landscape, y'all. Okay? Now, again, thanks for tuning in to Applewhite Intel. If you enjoyed this deep dive, again, y'all, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and share this one with friends who need to understand where AI is headed. And here's my question for you, okay? If you had access to DeepMind's AI for one project, what would you use it for? All right, drop it in the comments, y'all. Let me know how y'all really feeling about Google DeepMind. Let me know if you use it. Let me know how it's working for you, and just overall, let me know what's going on over in that community. Okay, I want to know your thoughts and how you all are feeling. I heard it's in Word, it's in Excel, and it's in everything else. So let me know how you guys are really feeling. Drop comments, y'all. I read every single one. Okay. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in today to Applewhite Intel. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.